Welcome to RBS. In this video, we are going to achieve something. Okay, alternative stage, let it be. Okay, I'm going to achieve something called selecting the existed things from the UI. Okay, what I'm going to talk, you're not understanding anything, right? Okay, I'll create a case and test it now so that I can explain you from UI. See, I'm going to create these kind of checkbox button. Okay, I'll explain you this thing. Okay, here day before yesterday we have imported the table and yesterday we have bring that table into UI in read only format, but user want to choose the policies from the existed list. He don't want all these policies, he wants some of the policies which are useful to him, he can select from here. Okay, so for that I need a checkbox here to select what kind of policies he want. Correct. So I'm going to create a checkbox to select the policies whatever he wants. Just like address screen we have one checkbox button. If we select that, it is coming on to the shipping address, right? Okay, I'll create a case now. Okay, create new vehicle insurance. Okay, okay. I'll show you the clipboard structure, then only you will understand. This is the okay. I'll open the clipboard now. Go to PY workspace. PY selected. Okay, nothing is coming because I did not select anything. Okay, if I click on here, so we'll see the clipboard structure. PY selected is true. If I uncheck that, PY selected will be false. Okay, we'll show you that thing as well. Okay, if I am unselecting it, clipboard structure will be PY selected as false. Okay, so PY selected, where it is, this is false. If I'm unchecking on it, py selected will be false. So what I'm trying to say here is py selected is a property which is used to map when we are using checkbox. Same I will do now here also. So first I want to know what kind of section I have created, in which section I have created this thing. So for that, open live UI, open live UI. From here, you can track the section, all sections, okay, all coverage section. I'll open the section now. I'll open the section and check out the rule to make the changes. It's mandatory. Next, insert column left side. First, I want, right? So, pickers, checkbox, I want. Okay. So, I'll drag down here, checkbox. Okay. I will edit the checkbox with py selected. Py, sorry, y is not working. That's why I'm using copy paste. Okay, py selected, py selected. I'm using, and I'm going to presentation edit option. This table we created in read only format, but this column I want is editable because user should have capable of selecting the policies. Okay, submit it. Okay, dot py selected. Property should be name with dot, right? Py selected. Okay. Here I'll give like select or choose, we can give. Anything is fine. It is naming only. Choose. Choose policies. No need. Let it be choose. It's fine. Now save it. Save it. Now go to case type. Create a case and test it now. Go to case type. Save and run. You can use or you can use create a case and test it. So submit, 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 submit. Now see the checkbox is coming now. From here, user can able to select the whatever the policies he want. Okay, he want first policy, he will select here. He want second policy, he don't want second, he want third one, he will select here. Okay, okay. Then we are going to see the clipboard structure. What is the clipboard structure? This is the important thing. Clipboards will come on all coverages under the pages it will come. Okay, it's not coming. It should come under all coverages. We'll see now. False. I'm not selecting anything, it is false. Okay, like that it will come. Okay, that's all for today. In next screen, whatever the things I have selected here, it should come in next screen. So that we'll use when rule. Okay, when rule as earlier we used it, right? If PY selected is true, display the data like that we can use. I'll show you in next video. Okay. Until then, bye bye. Signing off. అబ్బని తీయని దెబ్బ ఎంత కమ్మగా ఉంది రోయబ్బ వయ్యారాల వెల్లువ వాటేసుకుంటే వారెవా See, the true option is coming because I selected 10th one. Ninth one I did not select, it will come as a false. After submitting, it's coming. Okay, post processing is happening. Okay, see, I just want to see it's coming now. Okay, that's all I want to show you. Okay, then bye bye, signing off. Why this charger is not working? Okay, in next screen, we'll see whatever the items we have selected here. It should appear in next screen. How to achieve that, we'll see in next video. Until then, bye bye, signing off, Rajesh.